Hi guys, it's Canon Game here and welcome to part 6 on how to make a 3D engine. So, I'm basically just going to show you how to download and get for yourself because it's been hard making videos and really having to make them into parts. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to get it. So, get a link in the description, it will take you here. Now hit the download or hit that button. Now save it. Download off here, and so far, okay, now wait. Okay, now it's loaded up. Just show you just press the win flag. Yeah, and you can play. Now, yeah, thank you guys for watching, guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.